everyone, and today will be a completely different video. Like usually I do Gary's Mod, I used to do Minecraft, don't play it anymore. Today I will be showing you some of my Unity projects. I've done a couple Unity videos in the past with, hold on, let me just show you who I've done some videos with. Line code coaching. It's actually, yeah. I've done videos with the Coding Pioneer Leighton. Yeah, he's the one who taught me. Go check out his channel, link will be in the description below to his channel. Yeah, he's amazing. So, I have a lot of them, and I'll show you the best ones. Starting off with Pocket Warriors. Now, this game is one of my more advanced games that I'm developing. Intelli's scripting. Oh, and today is also Friday the 13th. But yeah, I just started this game. I haven't been working on it for long. I will. I downloaded a Siren Head model, and me and Leighton and I coded him together. Give him some animations and stuff. This guy is supposed to be the final boss, but right now we're just experimenting with him and stuff, making sure that everything's right. As you can see, I have a nice little map with a character. I have a ghost, which I'm going to code. It's a little bit broken right now, but I'll fix that. The Siren Head may still be a little bit glitchy, but I'll show you the scripts. I have the player script on him. I'll show you all the scripts after. Yeah, Siren Head is glitched. Yeah, he's a little bit glitched. But yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that in the code. Something's wrong in the code. I may tweak it today. But yeah, it's a little bit glitched. It's fine, but the player looks okay. This is all the work that went into it. It's loading. Yeah, this is what I had to code. I did it with my coding instructor, and I'm telling the truth, I actually did most of this. Also have another one, Camera Follow, where the camera follows the player. We have the pickup, where you can pick up items. We have this, and then we have the AI for Siren Head. Something is wrong with this script, because for some reason, he's running away from me, not towards me. But if he was close to me, he would do an attack. I'm going to try to find the issue. Transform to forward speed. Minus target position. This may be the problem. But I'll have to experiment with that. So yeah, we have all of these. So yeah, in fact, I'll tweak that to equal. And there's many more scripts, but I just want to see if this works. If minus, if it should be equal. Oh gosh, is there a splinter in my leg? Aye. Okay, that's pretty bad. Yikes! Is it working? No, I thought it was. Or is it just his speed? Let me go into the scene real quick. What's just going on with him? What's wrong with you? Maybe someone can put in the comments what's wrong with him. I'll revert the script back to normal. My target position You have this, ignore the name. What's this? Weird. Oh, it's actually an error. So yeah, we have this. Where's the scripts? Ah, here we go. Yeah. We have the siren head body mesh. We have all of these. Yeah, this is just one of them. So I'm just gonna save project. We're gonna go back to Unity Hub. I'm only gonna showcase a couple maybe. But this one, oh yeah, Danger Zone is amazing. You might actually know the song Danger Zone. No way in heck I'm singing it, even though I know how. No. That'll come from not even a different video. Just I don't know. Okay. Wait a minute. What the heck? Oh, this is level 2. Yeah. I have to go into scene level 1. Yeah. Let's go from level 1. Yikes. I accidentally spawned here. And you may be wondering why the turrets aren't shooting, because I set up a trigger somewhere. In order for the turrets to start shooting, I have to get past the trigger. It's right here. It's invisible. But once you go into that little space, then you will. Is this the player? Yeah, it is. So we're just gonna casually drag back. I spent a long time on this, so it's supposed to be a simple game. Boy, was I wrong, because a lot of work goes into this. Okay, come on, move. Please tell me this guy's original body. It does. So, he'll fall. Don't touch the red. Yeah, I have saw blades. I'm gonna evolve the textures soon. Yikes! It's a little bit intense! Oh yeah, I have to fix some... Yeah, there's always bug. Yikes. Yikes. Yeah. So they'll... if you touch the balls, it may launch you off the map. Oh, I have to go through here. Now the turrets will start to fire. Like this one, you can just barely dodge. You have to... And for this, you may want to use this turret as a meat shield. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, yeah, rapid fire turrets. Yikes! Why? You know what? I don't even care. I'm cheating. Yikes, it's gonna do. Ah, gosh. But yeah, I'll explain. This is Sawblade. I had to animate everything to do this, because you can't just spin something and it won't just repetitively spin. No, it isn't that easy. None of this is easy. Okay. Just gotta stay to the side. Yikes, that one, I believe it almost hit me. But here you gotta wait. Now that's the invisible trigger. Gotta get out. Stand behind as a meat shield. Okay, go, go, go. Yo, the turrets are so difficult. Like, it's incredible. Yeah, that's what they do. They launch you off the map. But it isn't 100% success rate. Why is my PC on fire? RTX 2080 Super. You're supposed to be super. Okay, meat shield. Or box shield. Okay. Okay, go, go, go. Yikes, 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 this one always gets me. Why is that there? Glitched. The wall. Oh, no. No! Oh, I got past it. How? If I actually get past this. Yikes. Let's go. And then this is level 2. For some reason you spawn here. Just gotta wait for that. So now, yeah, it takes you into level 2. Save. 100% save. Yeah, and I'll show you everything I added on level 2. Most of this I did. It's been a while since I worked on this. Like, it's kind of a forgotten project. Even though it's, like, really good. Okie dokie, hokey pokey. Okay, play. Okay, so yeah, each robot will have a different weapon. Yikes, they're gonna poke you through the map. That's the death. Pokes you through the map. Go. Yes! And then we have the death spikes. Okay, go, death spikes. Here, I can't remember. Oh, yeah. There's like an invisible thing. Yeah. Okay. Yikes. I'm so happy I'm getting past my own levels. I created this. I should know how to do this. I already forgot about it. Okay, I'm so scared. I still have to tweak that because I have to add. Yes. Yeah. And then here, it moves with you, which is pretty interesting. And then, yeah. So I think that's going to be all because there are a lot of other projects. One of them I can actually show you. Look, I created my own game using C#. Platform jumper. It's been updated. The character doesn't look like this anymore. It's been updated 50 plus. Yeah. New character, added tutorial, new jump animation. Yeah, boy. So yeah, Unity projects. Okay.